Got that booger right there on the edge.
Smile, Anna. Grandma's watching you.
Not videoing this, are you?
Yes.
Daniel.
What? It was cute. The first thing she did was sneeze.